How to change eBay email address. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial we can follow how to change our email address on ebay.com. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, we can go to the official site of eBay and basically sign in into our account if we're not signed in. Now from there, we can go for this option called My eBay and go ahead and click on it. After that, we'll be finding different options. We can go to the account option here, or on the top left also we should be finding this option. We can click on it and open up our account settings from this section. After that, we'll be headed towards our account page. Now from this section, we can go to this option called personal info, and there select the option called personal information and click on it. And once we click on it, we should be taken to this page, and here we'll be finding a contact info page. Now, if we want to change our email address, we can click on this option called edit and click on it, and we'll be provided with a space. Now we can just go over and switch it with another email address and go ahead and click on save and confirm it up. After that, verify it basically using the confirmation code sent to our new email. And once verified, we can use that email in order to sign in everything, and your new email becomes your new sign-in email. eBay will send us a verification email to confirm of the change. We can keep our old email as a secondary email if we want, and after verification, our account will use the new email for login, notifications, and even receipts. And that's it, everybody. That is how we change our email address on ebay.com. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.